something that all Igbos are in support of.
Listen on the background. Maybe
I need people to stop trying to mash us
voice
into
will
one.
overshadow
There is a divide
her own voice.
already on
This
this
lady
movement.
is
Before
an Igbo
IPOB, there was
lady.
Masop.
You can see the
How
way
did
she's
Masop run the
ranting.
agenda so
Let me
peacefully?
tell you in a
But when it was
nutshell
time for the
what she was
IPOB,
saying.
we are having
She's
chaos.
saying
But this
actually
is not what
that
it's
it wasn't
used to
Nnamdi
be.
Kanu
We can't
who
travel
led
anymore.
his group,
The
his
UGMs are in
military
play,
group
the ESN,
or the
ESN
military
are in play.
arm
My
of
state is in shambles
IPOB that
because I am
went
from
on
the same
killing
state
a
as
lot
it
of
is.
people.
You can't come out on
From
Mondays
the
anymore.
same
You
state
move, you
with
get
Nnamdi
killed.
Kanu.
Why is nobody
And the
saying
same
anything
thing
about that?
Ojus
We are
of
more worried
Kanu
about one man
was
who put the whole of the
stupidly
East
saying
in
the other
disarray
day that
for doing
Nnamdi
the wrong
Kanu
thing.
killed
There's
over
tyranny, there's treason.
30,000 people
Are we going to
from the
advocate
east.
for a tyrant?
The same
You want a secession?
useless
You do not
narrative
go about it the
they
legal
keep saying.
way.
Let me
Put
tell you,
everybody's lives
the lady went on to
into
say
problems
that
and
yes, Masop was
that all
peaceful
Igbos
when
are in
Masop
support
was
of.
there
So,
before
I need you to
IPOB
stop
came,
trying to mash
and why
us into
didn't
one.
Mazin
There is a
Nnamdi Kanu
divide
went
already on
about
this movement.
agitating
Before
in a
IPOB, there was
normal way,
Masop.
like
How
legally
did Masop
going to
run
the
the agenda
court
so peacefully?
through the
But
court,
when it was
this
time for the
judiciary,
IPOB,
you know,
we
the
are having
stupid
chaos.
empty
The
judiciary
East is
you
not
have
what
in
it
Nigeria.
used to be.
Let me
We
tell
can't
you,
travel
lady,
anymore. The
when
UGMs
Masop
are in
was
play, the
on,
ESN,
people
ESN are in
died.
play.
And
My
also,
state is in
Masop
shambles
was
because I am from
local.
the same state as
Masop
it is.
was not
You can't come out
international.
on Mondays
Even
anymore.
though
You
Mazin
get
Nnamdi
killed.
Kanu worked
Why is
under
nobody saying anything about that?
under
We're more worried
Wazirike,
about one man who put the whole of the East in
Masop
disarray
was local.
for doing the
We
wrong
are
thing.
not
There's
that
tyranny, there's treason.
international like
Are we going to
Mazin Nnamdi
advocate
Kanu.
for a tyrant? You want a
And
secession?
IPOB you are
do not
talking
go about
about,
it the legal way.
IPOB
And
is
you put everybody's
international.
lives
And let me tell you,
into
Nnamdi
problems
Kanu
and
never ordered for anybody. He
something that
never,
all Igbos
he's
are
not
in support
involved
of.
in
So
the death of
stop trying.
many
I need
people
people
you
to
are
stop
talking
trying to
about.
mash us
Even
into
anybody.
one. There is
Yes,
a divide
he asked
already
for
on this
weakest
movement.
head.
Before
But
IPOB,
Wike
there was
here in
Masop.
Abuja,
How did Masop run the agenda so peacefully?
was his
But when
head
it was
brought
time
to
for the
Mazin
IPOB,
Nnamdi
we are having
Kanu?
chaos.
The answer is
The
no.
East is not
For
what
those
it
of you
used to
who
be.
keep
We
on
can't
talking
travel anymore.
rubbish.
The
Talk
UGMs
from
are
now
in
to
play. The
tomorrow.
ESN,
You are an Igbo
ESN are in
lady.
play.
You are
My
complaining
state
that
is in
the
shambles because
state
I am
is
from
no
the same
longer
state as it
safe,
is.
that you
You
cannot
can't
come out on
Mondays
Monday.
anymore. You
Yes,
move, you get
you
killed.
don't need to
Why
come
is
out.
nobody saying anything
If
about
you are
that?
asked to
We are more worried
protest
about
and
one
sit
man
at
who put
home,
the whole of
it's
the
a
East
civil
in
way
disarray
of
for doing
protesting.
the wrong
If
thing.
you
There's
don't
tyranny,
know,
there's treason.
people sit
Are we
at
going
home.
to advocate
If
for
you
a
have a
tyrant? You want
listening
a secession?
government,
You do not go about
those
it the
that
legal
are
way,
listening
and you put
and
everybody's
those that
lives
are
from the
very
East
objective,
into problems
they will ask
and
themselves, why are these
something
people
that all
sitting at
Igbos
home
are in support
2
of.
days, 3 days,
So
one
stop trying.
month,
I need you to stop trying to
1 year?
mash us into
Then they will
one.
start to
There is a
reason.
divide
But you
already
don't
on
have a
this movement.
listening government.
Before
You
IPOB,
don't
there
have
was
anybody
Masop.
in government.
How did Masop
All you
run the
have
agenda
is
so
crook,
peacefully? But
thieves,
when it was time for the
criminals,
IPOB,
and
we are having
wicked
chaos.
killers,
The
devils.
East is not what
That
it
is
used
what
to be.
you have in
We can't
Nigeria.
travel anymore.
I'm saying
the
it, you
UGMs are
can
in
call
play.
me, I'm
The
going to say the same
ESN
thing.
are in play.
And I have my
state
reasons
is in
and I have
shambles
my
because I am
proof.
from the same
Very
state
soon
as
I'm
it is.
still going to let
You
you
can't
people
come out
know
on
my
Mondays anymore. You
own
move, you get
case,
killed.
how
Why is nobody
Nigeria
saying
happened
anything
to
about
me.
that? We are
Let
more
me
worried
tell you,
about
my
one
dear
man
lady,
who put the whole of
Igbo
the East
lady,
in disarray
if you are there
for doing the wrong
narrating
thing.
every
There's
day
tyranny,
that
there's
Nnamdi
treason.
is caused of
Are we going to
the
advocate
problem
for a
that is
tyrant?
happening
You
in
want
the
a
East, I
secession?
think
You do
you are
not go about it the
misled, you
legal
are
way,
being misled.
and you put
Let me ask you
everybody's
a very
lives from the
simple
East
question.
into
Nnamdi
problems
Kanu said
and
that Igbos are
something that
marginalized.
all
Is he
Igbos
lying?
are in support of.
Look from Lagos to your
I need you to
village.
stop trying to mash
The
us
federal
into one.
roads are
There is a divide
dilapidated.
already on this movement.
They are not fixed.
Before IPOB, there was
Up to today.
Masop.
Go
How
to the
did
north
Masop
and
run
see
the
how
agenda
they
so
fix
peacefully?
the road.
But when it was time for the
Your
IPOB,
brothers
we are
doing
having
business
chaos.
in Ariada
The East
or
is not what
wherever in
it used to
Onitsha.
be. We
They
can't travel
import
anymore.
their goods.
The UGMs
They
are in
don't.
play.
They have
The
to go
ESN,
through Lagos
ESN
because
are
the
in play.
seaport work
My
only
state
in
is in
Lagos.
shambles because
Do
I
you
am
get
from
the
the same
point?
state as
Only
it is.
in Lagos.
You can't come out
And
on
when
Mondays
they
anymore. You
transport
move,
their
you get
goods
killed.
from Lagos
Why is nobody
to
saying anything about
wherever,
that? We are more worried
Ariada
about
or
one
Onitsha,
man who put the
you
whole
have
of
more
the
than
East
1,000
in disarray
policemen,
for doing
more
the
than
wrong thing. There's
1,000
tyranny, there's
custom
treason.
stops. You have
Are we
police
going to
people on the
advocate
street,
for a
on the
tyrant?
street
You want a
collecting and
secession? You do
extorting
not
money
go
from
about
your
it the legal
brothers.
way, and you put
Madam
everybody's
lady,
lives
you are
from
talking,
East
your mouth is
into
ranting.
problems and
You don't ask yourself,
something that all
why
Igbos
are
are in
your
support
people
of.
agitated?
So stop trying.
Yeah,
I need you to
men
stop
are
trying
not
to
like
mash us
ladies
into
who
one.
sell their
There is
body
a
to get
divide already on
appointments
this movement. movement.
or who sell their
Before
body
IPOB,
to
there was
get
Masop.
job
How
opportunities.
did Masop run
Men
the
are
agenda so
suffering.
peacefully? But when it was time
Women
for the
can
IPOB,
open their
we are
legs,
having chaos.
and
But this
one
is not
man
what
will
it's-
give them
it's used to
appointment
be.
in the
We can't
company.
travel
That
anymore.
is what
The
is,
UGNs
that's why
are
you
in
see a
place.
lot
The
of ladies are making money
ESN are in
these days.
place. My
Some of
state
them,
is in
not
shambles
all of
because I am
them,
from the same
but
state as
most
it
of
is.
them are
You can't come out
selling
on
their
Mondays anymore.
bodies
You
to
move, you
get
get killed.
job
Why is nobody
opportunities.
saying
That is
anything
what
about
is
that?
happening
We
in
are more worried
Nigeria.
about
You
one
must
man
know
who
who
put the
know
whole of
who
the
know
East
who
in
know
disarray
before
for
they
doing the
can
wrong
get
thing. There's
anything.
tyranny, there's treason.
Nothing is done by
Are we going
merit,
to advocate
and this
for
is
a
exactly
tyrant?
what
You want a
Nnamdi Kanu is
secession?
asking.
You do not go
Let
about it the
things
legal
be done
way,
by
and
merit.
you put everybody's
What you
lives
do
from
to
the
north,
into
do it to
problems
west,
and
and do it to the east. That
something
is
that
what
all
Nnamdi
Igbos
is
are in
asking.
support of.
Nnamdi, your
So
brother asked
stop
for
trying, I need
people
to stop trying to
to
mash
be
us
restored
into one.
in
There is
the
a
region.
divide already
Is
on
it
this
not
movement.
good for you?
Before
You are
IPOB, there was
shouting
Masop.
the kid.
How did
Nnamdi
Masop
Kanu
run
never
the agenda
killed
so peacefully?
anyone.
But when it was
It
time
is
for the
the
IPOB, we are
stupidity
having
of the
chaos.
governors from
But
the
this is
east
not what it's
who
used to be.
he
You can't
alerted
travel anymore.
that
The
things were
UGNs are in
happening
place.
in
The
Igbo land.
ESN
Your
are in
mothers
place.
and our
My
sisters,
state is
our
in
mothers
shambles
and
because
our
I am from the
sisters
same
were
state
raped
as
in
it
the
is.
farms.
You can't come
Were
out
you
on
not
Mondays
there?
anymore. You move,
Fulani
you get killed.
herdsmen,
Why is
herders,
nobody saying
whatever
anything
you
about
call
that?
them.
We are
They
more worried
were
about
raping
one
our
man who
mothers
put the
and
whole
our
of the
sisters
East
in the
in
farm.
disarray
Nnamdi
for throwing the
Kanu
wrong
went
thing.
to
There's
the
tyranny,
government,
there's treason.
pleaded to them,
Are we going to
create
advocate
an
for a
outfit so
tyrant?
that
You
our
want a
bushes,
cessation,
our
you do
farms
not go about it
could
the
be
legal way,
protected.
and you
What
put
did they
everybody's
do? They
lives from the
ignored
East
it
into
before
problems
Nnamdi
and
created ESN.
something
And when
that all
Nnamdi
Igbos
created
are in support
ESN,
of.
ESN only
stop
worked in
trying.
the
I need people to
bushes.
stop trying
In
to
the
mash
bush,
us into
not
one.
in the
There is
city.
a divide
Those ones
already
that
on
were
this
killed
movement.
in the
Before
cities,
IPOB, there was
like
myself.
you know,
How did my
when
son
little
run the
thing was
agenda so
happening,
peacefully? But when it was time
Nigerians
for the
during
IPOB,
Buhari,
we are having
Buhari sent
chaos.
all the
The East
battalions
is not
to
what
East,
it
carry all
used
their
to be.
ammunition,
We can't travel anymore.
abducting and
The
killing all
UGMs are
the
in play.
Igbo
The
youth, not Nnamdi Kanu.
ESN are in play.
Use
My
your
state
brain.
is in
You
shambles
people
because I
should
am
use
from
your
the same
brain.
state as he is.
You and the
You can't
useless
come out on
soldiers of
Mondays
Kanu.
anymore. You move,
Probably
you get killed.
he has bought
Why
you
is
over,
nobody saying anything
and you
about
have
that?
come to
We are
talk
more
this
worried about
trash.
one man who put
Nigerian
the
government,
in
Nigerian
disarray
military,
for doing the wrong
the
thing. There's
Boko
tyranny, there's
Haram
treason.
and the
Are we going to
Fulanis that
advocate
we are
for a tyrant?
inculcated
You want a
in
cessation?
the
You do not
Nigerian
go about it the
military
legal way,
are the ones
and you
carrying
put
out
everybody's
the
lives
mayhem
from the East into
in the
problems.
East, killing your brothers.
Something
Not
that all
Mazi
Igbos
Nnamdi
are in support
Kanu.
of.
Now that the
So
shit is
stop
happening
trying.
in
I
the
need people to
north,
stop trying to
the
mash us
terrorists
into
are
one.
carrying
There is a
ammunition,
divide
showing,
already on this
showcasing
movement.
it.
Before
What
IPOB, there was
happened?
Masop.
Did
How
they
did
arrest
Masop
them?
run the agenda so
Shegumi,
peacefully?
who has been
But when it was
talking
time for the
and
IPOB,
negotiating,
we are
he's a
having
terrorist
chaos.
already.
The East
He's
is not what it
negotiating
used to be.
and
We
bringing
can't travel
arms
anymore.
and food
The UGMs
to terrorists
the
for them to continue in their
ESN
business.
My
Are
state
they
is in
being
shambles
arrested?
because I am from
The
the same
answer
state
is
as
no.
he is.
You
can't
are
come out on
lamenting
Mondays
about
anymore. You
Nnamdi
move, you
Kanu,
get
who's
killed.
tried to
Why is
save your
nobody saying
life.
anything about that?
You
We are more worried about one
is
man
trying
who
to
put the
save
whole
your
of the
life.
East in
If
disarray
not
for
Nnamdi
doing the
Kanu
wrong thing.
alerted
There's tyranny,
everybody
there's
that
treason.
Fulani
Are we going to
herdsmen,
advocate
Fulani
for tyrants?
people,
You want a
terrorists are
cessation?
coming
You do
to
not go
kill
about it the
people.
legal way.
Nobody would have
everybody's
known,
lives from
even
the
the
East
Yorubas.
into problems
Now the Yorubas are crying. And
something
soon,
that
all
all
of you will
Igbos are
cry.
in support
You
of.
understand? Because
So
they are still
stop
coming.
trying. I need
They are
to
not
stop trying
yet
to
done
mash
with
us
their
into
invasion.
one. There
The
is a
difference
divide
between Mazi
already on this
Nnamdi Kanu
movement.
and the
Before
terrorists
IPOB,
from the
there was
north,
Masop.
they are
How
very
did Masop
different.
run the agenda so
Nnamdi Kanu
peacefully?
is
But when it was time for the
for the
IPOB, we are
sovereignty of
having
his
chaos.
people.
The
The
East is not what
terrorists
it
from the
used
north
to
are
be.
coming
We
for
can't travel
invasion.
anymore. The
Those are
UGMs are in
the
play.
two
The
different
ESN
things, and
are
this
in
is
play.
what is going
My
on.
state
So
is in shambles
if you are
because I
there
am from the
ranting
same
and
state as
shouting
he
that
is.
Nnamdi
You can't come out on
Kanu
Mondays
did that,
anymore.
did
You
that,
move,
he
you get
never
killed.
did all those things.
Why is
You are
nobody
just
saying
talking,
anything about that?
talking
We are more
rubbish.
worried about one
If
man
not
who put the
Nnamdi
whole of the
Kanu,
East in
your
disarray
people are
for
marginalized.
doing the wrong thing.
Can't
There's
you
tyranny, there's
see
treason.
how the
Are we going
cake
to advocate
from
for a
Nigeria
tyrant?
is
You want a
shared
cessation?
among
You do not go
Nigerians?
about it the legal way,
Without your
and you
Igbo
put
people
everybody's
getting their
lives from
own
the East
share,
into
are you not
problems
ashamed
and
that you are from Igbo
something that all
enclave
Igbos are in
and
support of?
your share is
stop
given
trying.
to
I need people to
others?
stop trying
You
to
are not
mash us
ashamed.
into one.
You are talking
There is
about
a divide already on this movement.
Nnamdi should
Before
have gone
IPOB, there was
legally. Which
Masop.
legally?
How did
Nnamdi
Masop run
called
the
for
agenda so
referendum.
peacefully?
You are not
but
there.
when it was time for the
That's because
IPOB,
you are
we are
blind.
having chaos.
Your hatred
The East
and
is not what
jealousy,
it used to be.
envy
We can't travel
is your
anymore.
problem.
The UGMs are in
Nnamdi
play. The
Kanu called for
ESN
referendum,
are in
peaceful
play.
referendum,
My state is
to
in
be
shambles because I am
conducted
from the same state
so
as
that
he is.
people can
You can't come out
choose
on Mondays anymore. You move, you get killed.
where they
Why is
want
nobody
to
saying
belong.
anything about
Nigerian
that? We are more
government
worried
will
about
ignore
one man
because
who put the whole of the
Fulani has
East
an
in disarray
agenda.
for
That
doing
is
the wrong
what
thing. There's
you
tyranny, there's
people have
treason.
failed to understand.
Are we going to
The
advocate for a
Fulani has an
tyrant?
agenda
You want a
to
cessation?
invade
You do
you
not
and
go
take
about it the
over
legal
your
way,
land.
and you
then
put
Nnamdi
everybody's
Kanu
lives from the
understands
East into
that is why
problems
he's shouting and crying.
something that
It is
all
Nigerian
Igbos are
army
in support
that
of.
Hope
So
of the
stop trying. I need
invited
you to
in
stop
the
trying
east
to mash
that
us
was
into
killing
one.
people
There is
from
a
Imo State.
divide already
It
on
was
this
one
movement. Before IPOB, there was
who is one
Masop.
Anambra
How did
and
Masop
the
run the
devil
agenda
was
so peacefully?
invited. They were
But when it
killing
was time for
people,
the
not
IPOB,
Mazi
we are having
Nnamdi Kanu.
chaos.
Not
This is
ESN.
not what it used to
ESN
be.
was
We
busy
can't travel
in
anymore.
trying to
The
make sure
UGMs are in
Fulani,
play. The
Fulani
ESN are in
terrorists
play.
did not
My state
arrest,
is in
I mean,
shambles
kill
because I am
or
from the
rape
same
our
state as
mothers.
it is.
That was
You can't come out on
where
Mondays
their
anymore.
business
You move,
was,
you get
not in the
killed.
city
Why is
like
nobody
here.
saying anything
So
about that?
before
We are more
you
worried
speak,
about one man who put the whole of the
get
East
your facts in order before
for doing
you
the
come
wrong
out
thing.
to
There's
talk.
tyranny, there's
Nnamdi
treason.
Kanu is not holding.
Are we going to
Nnamdi
advocate
Kanu
for a
is a peaceful
tyrant?
guy
You want a
who
cessation?
wants things
You do
to
not
be
go
better
about it the
for
legal way,
everyone.
and you put
You
everybody's
understand?
lives from the
It is people like
problems,
you and your fellow support, like
all
Devil
Igbos
Mike,
are in support of.
Joe Ibokwe,
So
Ojo
stop trying. I need people to
Sokano,
stop trying to
Ukezibazo,
mash
all
us
these
into
guys.
There is a
Those
divide
are the
already
guys
on this
that
movement.
need to go
Before
out.
IPOB,
They
there
need
was
to go
Masob.
out before
How
we
did
can have
Masob
peace.
run the agenda
Because
so peacefully?
if they
But
don't
when it
go
was time
out,
for the IPOB, we
we
are
will
having
continue
chaos.
to have
This is not what it used to be.
We don't
We
want
can't
to
travel
when
anymore.
something
The
happens to
UGNs
us,
are in play.
somebody
The
will go and
ESN
leave it to them.
are in
Or
play.
now Tinubu
My
will
state
come
is
and
in
tell
shambles
you,
because I am from the same
grab
state
out their
as it
state
is.
for me.
You can't come
Then
out on
you
Mondays
sell
anymore. You move, you
your
get
people.
killed.
Sell your
Why is nobody
brothers
saying anything
because
about
you
that?
want to-
We are more
you
worried
want
about
to
one man who put the whole
become
of the
vice
East in
president.
disarray
That is
for
just
doing the
what
wrong
is
thing.
going
There's
on.
tyranny, there's
Because
treason.
you have
Are we
long
going to
through to
advocate for a
remain in power
tyrant? You
in
want a
Nigeria.
cessation? You
We
do not
don't
go
want
about it the legal
Nigeria.
way,
We want our
and you put
Biafra. We
everybody's
want our
lives from the
peace.
into
So if we
problems.
are lamenting and shouting, what we
Something
want
that
is
all
Biafra.
Igbos are in
We
support
don't
of.
want Nigeria
So
because you
stop
know,
trying. I need you to stop
Nigeria
trying to
will
mash us
never
into
work.
one.
It
There is a
will not
divide
work.
already
Take
on this
it or you
movement.
leave it.
Before before
The army
IPOB, there
can
was
get ready
Masop.
to kill more
How did
people
Masop run their
because
agenda so
Nigeria is
peacefully?
not
But when it was time for the
gonna work.
IPOB,
I
there have been
promise you
chaos.
and I bet
So
you,
this is not what
Nigeria will
it
not
used to
work.
be.
So
We can't
rant
travel
all you
anymore.
can and
The
shout all you
UGMs are in
can.
play.
Nnamdi
The
Kanu
ESN,
did nothing
ESN
wrong,
are in play.
and he's a
My
good
state
guy.
is a
I
shambles
rest
because
my
I am
case.
from the same